Good morning, students. So today I am going to give you the solution of the chapter test Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Okay, this is the solution of the chapter test. So let's start. The first question, as you can see, you have to find the LCM of 20, 30 and 50 by division method. Okay, you have to find the LCM of 20, 30 and 50 by division method. So let's start. So first we have written 20, 30, 50. So first with 2. So 2 tens are 20, 2 15s are 30 and 2 25s are 50. Okay. Now next with 5. 5 2s are 10. Then we have 5 3s are 15 and then we have 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now you can stop. Now how to find out the LCM? You have to multiply all these numbers. So your LCM is 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5. And if you multiply all these numbers, your LCM will come 300. Okay. Now next one. Next one, question number 2, you have to find the HCF of 216, 1260, 540 and 252 by division method. By division method. There are 4 numbers. So first what we will do? First we will find out the HCF of these 2 numbers, 216 and 1260. So let's start here. So 216 and 1260. So first 5 times, if you multiply 1080, after subtraction it will come 180. Then what you will do? Then what is the rule? This 216 you will write here. Then 181 is 181 times 36 after subtraction. Then this 180 you will write here. Then 36 5 is 180. So which one is the last divisor? 36. So this one is the HCF of 216 and 1260. Now with this HCF 36 you have to divide the third number 540. So this one 36 1s are 36. After subtraction it is coming 18. Then write down this 0 180. Then 36 5s are 180. Finish. Then again the last divisor 36 is the HCF. Now again with this 36 we have to divide the last number, that is 252. So this one 36 and 252, just 36 7s are 252. So this one is the final answer, 36, the last divisor. So HCF of 216, 1260, 540 and 252 equals to 36. Okay, so this is the division method. Okay, next one. Okay, what is the question? Next one. Number 3, the HCF of 2 numbers is 5 and their LCM is 165 and one number is 55. So find the other number. So your HCF is given 5, LCM is given 165 and one number is given 55. You have to find the other number. So what is the formula? Other number equals to HCF into LCM by given number. Now HCF is 5, LCM is 165 and the given number is 55. This is the given number. So if you multiply, you will get 825 by 55 and you divide, your other number is coming 15. So this is the other number. Okay. Next one. Find the LCM of 110 and 88 by finding their HCF. That means you have to find out the LCM of 110 and 88 by finding their HCF. I told you earlier, if this type of question is given, you cannot directly find out the LCM. First you have to find out the HCF and then you have to apply the formula. So let's first find out the HCF, this one. 88 and 110, 1 times 88 after subtraction 22. Then this 88 right here and then 22 fours are 88. So your last divisor 22 is the HCF. Now LCM formula is first number into second number by HCF. So which one is the first number? This one. Second number 88 and your HCF is 22. So 110 into 88 by 22. So it is coming 9680 by 22 and if you divide 440. So your LCM is 440. Okay. 5 number. Find the greatest number which divides 148 and 100, leaving remainder 4 in each case. Okay, so you have to find the greatest number dividing 148 and 100, leaving remainder 4 in each case. So this type of sum already we have done. So what is the method? The method is, first we subtract 4 from 148 and 100. That means first you have to subtract the remainder 4 from 148 and 100. So 148 minus 4 is 144 and 100 minus 4 is 96. Okay. Now what we'll do, since your question is you have to find the greatest number, so you have to find out the HCF. Okay, you have to find out the HCF. So after subtraction it's coming 144 and 96, so you have to find out the HCF of 96 and 144. So this one let's do for you. First 1 times 96, if you subtract 48. Now this 96 you have to write down here. So 48 2s are 96. Okay. So which one is the last divisor? 48. So your HCF is 48. So your greatest number, therefore the greatest number is 48. Okay. This is the solution. Next one. The question is little bit lengthy. This type of question you have done. In a zoo, 3 lions roared together at 10 am. If the lions roared regularly at the intervals of 10, 15 and 12 minutes respectively, then at what time will they roar together again? So there are 3 lines. They are roaring at the intervals of 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes. That is the first line. That means the first line is roaring after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Then second line 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, then 45 minutes. And the third line 12 minutes, then 24 minutes, then 36 minutes. So it's a multiple of 10, 15 and 12. So first they are roaring together at 10 am. Next, at what time they roar together? So I told you. So this type of questions, first you have to find out the LCM. So your statement is, first we find the LCM of 10, 15 and 12 minutes. So let's do it for you. So first, suppose I'm giving 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. 15 it's not divisible, so write down 15 and 6 2s are 12. Now you can use 3. 5 not divisible, write down 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. And at last use 5. 1, 1, 2. So what is your LCM? So if you multiply this one, you have to multiply 2 3s are 6, 5 6 are 30, 32s are 60. So it is coming 60 minutes. Okay. And 60 minutes means you have 1, hour. So your LCM is coming 1 hour. So what is the time? So this 10 am plus 1 hour, your answer will come 11 am. So this one, so time will be 10 am plus 1 hour, answer is 11 am. That means after 11 am, all the lines will roll together. 3 lines will roll together. Next one, the last question, find the first 3 common multiple of 8 and 16. So 8 and 16, common multiple you have to find out. So multiple of 8, let's see, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and then dot dot. Multiple, I told you multiple of 8 means just you have to write down the table. So you have written up to 8 into 10, 80. Next one, multiple of 16. So 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. 16 5s are 80, then dot dot dot. We have written here up to 16 into 5. Now let's check which one are the common multiples. So first one is 16 and 16. Next one is 32 and 32. Next one is 48 and 48. Here also 64 is there, but our question is first 3. So first 3 are 16, 32 and 48. So you have to write down the answer, common multiple, first 3 common multiples, 16, 32 and 48. Okay, so I hope the solutions are clear to you. So once again you go through the solutions. So today up to this much. Thank you.